Yo guys, welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover and thank you guys once again for tuning into this amazing new video. Guys, today is an emergency video for the price action of Ethereum. So if you are an Ethereum holder, you definitely should be watching this video because guys, we are currently seeing an insane ascending triangle unfolding on the price action of Ethereum. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. Let's see how much likes we can be reaching because yes guys, I will be making more emergency videos because, yeah, of course, this is very important to know. And if you like these time-related videos, guys, make sure to let me know in the comment section because then I will be keeping my eyes always. I always keep my eyes on the charts, but then I will be always making videos once seeing something very interesting. Let me know if you guys like that because then I can definitely do that. So currently, what we can see here is that the price action of Ethereum is forming an ascending triangle right now. And this ascending triangle can be pushing down or pushing up the price for the coming days, coming hours for Ethereum. And of course, this is on the 1 hourly time frame. So we can be seeing a breakout either direction in anytime soon here. I mean, we are currently trading on support and maybe while this video is online, we already seen a breakdown here, but you definitely want to keep your eyes out on this particular pattern because guys, we can be seeing potential price surge or we can be seeing a potential price surge if we're going to break out to the upside of a 10% towards the $3,900 but we can be also seeing let me copy this one real quickly. We can also see, of course, a correction from here on, a breakdown from here on. And of course, this breakdown will be quite horrible because this will be approximately an 11% correction towards the $2,935 for the price action of Ethereum. And of course, this is the reason why I'm currently making this video for Ethereum. And this is the reason why I'm doing so, because you guys really want to be watching to this chart. Because if we are going to see a breakdown, I mean, you want to be extremely careful with Ethereum because this can be, of course, quite shocking. And let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, which direction we'll be going towards. Because, yes, guys, we are forming an ascending triangle from a move towards the downside. Because, yes, we were in a downward structure. We were forming an ascending triangle in a downward structure. And the likelihood of breaking down once the trend is already towards the downside is very high. So, it's the same here if you're in a bull market and you're creating, I mean, if you're in an extremely fast run up here and you're creating bearish patterns, they still tend to break towards the upside. Of course, an ascending triangle is more a bullish scenario, but right now we are definitely in a downward trend. We can still break lower, so of course we can still also break towards the upside. So in order to break towards the upside, yeah, we first have to get supported by the lower side. Of course, look for a potential bounce towards the upside, and if we're getting a bounce from the current point that we are trading on, guys, we're also setting a higher low, so that is definitely good here. And that is a thing that I would like to see here because, yeah, otherwise we're definitely going to see some lower prices. And I mean, besides that, guys, if I also flip onto the MACD, you can see on the 1 hourly time frame, we are setting higher highs. We're also setting higher lows. So the 1 hourly time frame is looking particularly good here on the MACD still. But however, the 4 hourly time frame, guys, is also looking extremely strong here because 4 hourly time frame about to have a bullish crossover on the MACD. 4 hourly time frame is setting a higher low structure, so this is looking particularly good here. This is giving me green flags because yeah, I mean, we're currently trading on the support line and the breakdown is very close and the break towards the upside is not very close. So that is the reason why I'm making this particular video about this. And of course, guys, if you want to be trading as well here, you can be signing up with Bybit right now in the link in the description. And if you're signing up with Bybit right now, you're getting a $2,610 deposit bonus, biggest deposit bonus ever in history. So make sure to utilize that. And I mean, it is absolutely insane because the opportunities are so big right now. So also thing that I want to be doing here is flip onto the EMA. And of course, yeah, like I told you before, we are definitely in a downtrend, and you can see it as well on the EMA ribbon here. 1 hourly time frame pushing lower and lower because the EMA ribbon is also providing resistance. Besides that, the 4 hourly. Let me take a clear chart in front of me, by the way. You can see it over here, the 4 hourly also providing a lot of resistance. We're coming together with the Fibonacci as well. But yeah, you can see over here also providing resistance. On the daily, we are still getting supported by the EMA. So that is definitely looking still very healthy. So, I mean, yeah, there are bullish and bearish scenarios currently unfolding. But of course, for me, the main indicator to look at currently is definitely the ascending triangle to see it breaking towards the upside. So as well, what is currently unfolding here on the 4 hourly time frame is some kind of a parallel channel here getting unfolded on the price action of Ethereum, guys. And this parallel channel can be, of course, choosing a direction for the price action of Ethereum. And currently we are still trading in the parallel channel towards the downside. But for me, in order to flip extremely bullish once again on Ethereum, I want to be seeing the breakthrough towards the top side of the resistance line. So currently, we already have some touch points on this chart here. So I definitely want to be seeing the breakthrough towards the upside. Let's see what once we're going to get it, because yeah, we are clearly in a downtrend right now, and you do want to be seeing a breakthrough either direction. And I mean, currently also, if you flip on just purely to the daily candles and remove the parallel channel here and look at the daily levels of support for the price action of Ethereum, you can see that we are currently trading on this massive important level. You can see supported over here, and right now we're getting supported on over here as well here. And on the 4-hourly, it's also showing a lot of strength over here. You can see massive previous support right now, once again providing a lot of support. So I definitely don't want to be seeing Ethereum trading below the 3,243 US dollars, because that will be also quite bearish for Ethereum. So guys, this was the quick update video that I was willing to make here. Make sure to check out my Twitter to stay always up to date about everything. Make sure to ring the bell notification on the channel, because then you're also not going to miss out about these very time related videos, because yes guys, it can be definitely seeing a breakdown or a break towards the upside anytime soon here. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Tomorrow I will be back with a new live stream, guys. At the standard time that I'm uploading a video, I will be first uploading a video, and later in the day I will be doing a live stream tomorrow. So that's something that you can be looking for. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will check you guys tomorrow back in a new video. Goodbye.